into Garage to Rooms. We had some really great ideas. We worked together very collaboratively, and we came up with what I think was a really good upgrade instead of just a repair, and it's made our lives much easier and better.
Working with Garage to Rooms is amazing. We've done a few things around our house before, and I think we've all had that horror story of the contractor or the builder who just kind of promises the world and leaves you high and dry. That is 100% not what you're going to get with Garage to Rooms or with Brent. Brent is an amazing guy to work with. He's really switched on. He really cares about his projects, and his communication is just phenomenal. Could not rave enough about how awesome it was to work with Garage to Rooms.
If you're looking for someone who can be a collaborator and a true partner on a build, Garage to Rooms is your company and Brent's your man.